to make a stand and please donate. So if you want to make a stand and please donate, then what you need to do is first you just need simply be in a game. Just simply search for please donate. Once you've searched for it, here you will have your please donate. You need to click on it. And now you need to just click on this play and it will take you to the application, or you can just simply go directly with your application and search for please donate. Once you find a please donate, you need to just go with it. And now in order to edit your stand, you need to just click on edit, which is right here. Just click on edit E and you will have one of these interface, which is you can edit your booth. Go with the text if you want to add or enter some text right here. So I'll just simply go with the text. Then the next major step is simply adding buttons too. So to add buttons, you'll need to create game passes using the Roblox website. Since items like shirts cost Roblox to sell, but game passes are free. You can open up your web browser and then create a pass. In my case, I've already created some passes. You can go with view tutorial if you want to view the tutorial on how you can create a game pass. But if you've already created your pass, you can just simply go with no and go and select your game pass. So once you've created your passes on your website, you can just simply come to your please donate and then make a stand with those passes. So in this way, you'll be able to make a stand and please donate. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.